Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 8, leçon V. So let's discover in this lesson the past infinitive. Well, it's not really discovery because I've been already making a lesson that explain how to make it. So in this lesson now we will mostly see some verbs to see how they go at this past infinitive, and then we'll try to pronounce them correctly. Okay, so let's start right now. Having searched, avoir cherché, avoir cherché, avoir cherché. Having given, avoir donné, avoir donné, avoir donné. Having been, avoir été, avoir été, avoir été. Having had, avoir eu, avoir eu, avoir eu. Having taken, avoir pris, avoir pris, avoir pris. Having answered, avoir répondu, avoir répondu, avoir répondu. Having succeeded, avoir réussi, avoir réussi, avoir réussi. Having sold, avoir vendu, avoir vendu, avoir vendu. Having gone, être allé, être allé, être allé. Having gone up, être monté, être monté, être monté. Having gone down, être descendu, être descendu, être descendu. Having come back, être revenu, être revenu, être revenu. Having left, être parti, être parti, être parti. Having been born, être né, être né, être né. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.